Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to upload guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to stop talkback. Friends, you have your talkback setting, and friends you have enabled your talkback, and friends now guys you want to stop. So when how to stop talkback, friends you can see I am not operating my phone. So when how to stop guys this talkback setting. Today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So friend, first of all, how to stop talkback? So friend, you can stop at with your two finger guys. One finger guys, you cannot stop talkback guys. So use your any two finger guys. Then guys, you can operate your Infinix phone. Guys, phone setting guys. One tap here and guys, two tap, double tap. So friends, your setting will on. And when how to scroll? Friends, use your two finger. One finger guys, you cannot stop your talkback setting. So friends, click on any setting and guys scroll it. And friends, you can see the special function setting is double click here and special function setting will on. Then guys again scroll and guys click on accessibility, one tap here and guys continue two tap guys, don't click one tap. Friends, you can see accessibility setting will not on. So let's continue two tap and guys again click any setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see talkback setting is here. So guys click on your talkback, one tap, again guys two tap, double tap to activate. Use talkback, one tap here guys, again double tap to stop talkback. As you can see cancel button and stop button, click on stop button and guys double tap here to stop your talkback. So as your talkback will stop, and friends you can use your phone without any talkback setting. Friends, you can see one finger guy we can operate our phone. So like that guy we can stop talkback in Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys in Infinix phone setting? Friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.